Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ABCmouse how to change label. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adjusting your child's learning path level on ABCmouse ensures that the educational content aligns with the current learning needs. Here's how you can make the changes. So first is to head over and then open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in abcmouse.com. Now once the page loads, tap on that login button on the top right corner of the screen, and then once you are there, log in with your ABCmouse credentials. Then once that's done, what you need to do is within the parent section, click on the settings panel, then choose the child's profile you wish to update. Now click on the learning path panel to edit it, then select the appropriate learning path level for your child, then click done to save your changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below if there are any questions, and then see you soon in the next video.